Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Rocket League stuck on press any button to start screen like this. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, in a lot of ways it can be Epic Games server issues. So first what is just to do here is to open up browser and then you just need to write Rocket League server status or Epic Games server status and click on down, for example, detector, and look if there is no problems reported on a server status on Epic Games or on Rocket League, because if there is, nothing you can do about it. You just need to wait. But if there is no such a problem, we can proceed with other steps. So the first thing what you need to do here is for SteelSeries users. You just need to open up Sound Mixer, and then you need to go to Volume Mixer, and then you need to look on output device if SteelSeries chat is not selected. If SteelSeries chat is selected, you just need to select to SteelSeries game, because it can be the problem. So this is the first solution. Another thing can be your third-party devices like your VRs, controllers, steering wheels, or whatsoever. Just try to disable them all, only leave with the mouse and keyboard, and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, it can be also your third-party softwares like VPNs, your antivirus softwares like Malwarebytes, Avast, McAfee, and others, controller softwares, DS4, Windows, and other that will help with your controllers. So try to disable them all and look if the problem persists. Then what you need to do here is to completely close Epic Games, and then there should be no Epic Games here on the system tray. And then you just need to look for Epic Games and try to launch Epic Games as admin and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, you can delete Epic Games cache files. To do so, you just need to write run, and then here you need to write %local app data %. And on this window, sorry, you need to go not to local app data but to the documents. Then you need to here should find a my games, and then should be Rocket League and then TA game. And once you have once you're on TA game folder, you should see cache folder, and then you just need to completely delete that particular folder, and it should fix your problem. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like.